Yeah. One who thinks all the time about a particular sense object, not just thinks, but is lost in it, whatever, is sensitive about something like food, tea, what else, coffee, alcohol, root beer, what else? Vada pav, sweet, warm water bath, sweet halwa. Got it? Somebody who is lost in his sense object. Now first, before going into the sutra, think what is your weakness, whatever it might be, whichever of the five senses. It could be anything. It could be a vada pav, it could be root beer, it could be warm water, whatever you think. Yeah? Once you keep thinking about it or wanting that and encouraging your it's a no, raga. What happens? You start developing attachment to it. I want this, I cannot be without it. That is what it says. Sangasteshu upajayate. You cannot be without it. That kind of attachment develops. Sangat sanjayate kama. That means because of this attachment, what happens? Kama comes up. What is kama?
Desire.
Lust. You start lusting for that thing. Lust is not just sexual, huh? You can lust for food, you can lust for root beer. It starts with simple thinking. Yeah, dhyayato is just thinking about something and encouraging the desire. From thinking, what happens? Attachment. Sangasteshu. From attachment, what happens? Third, he said now? Lust. For lusting for that object, that sense object happens. Are you getting it? The sutra is clear so far? I like something. First time in my life I have tasted a grape. First time in my life. He's telling you how you move from like to craving for it, which becomes attachment, and then from attachment how you move to lust. There are very fine lines separating these, which you don't know.
Feverishness, is that
Exactly, yes. Lusting for something, wanting. I cannot be without it. Root beer example, beautiful example came out. You must have had root beer, as a kid or whatever, first time. Yeah, that sangha. With that, no, every time I want root beer only now. Attachment developed. And that became so strong that even when he was sick, he had that lust. I need that. Doesn't matter if I can't taste it, but I want it. Are you getting it? This is kama. You see the difference of degree? The degree increases, but you cannot know when my degree is at a limit and it shouldn't go beyond this line. Can you know? So what should you do?
Just be aware.
Come on. The moment that desire comes. Prajahati. I told you this is one sutra you have to learn by heart. Starts with the desire, na? Yes? You eat because you are hungry. You don't eat because I have a desire to eat this. Difference. Big difference. Lot of people just eat so that they can live. Yes? Don't live to eat. Yeah? Same thing. You do not know when you will cross from here to the next. You don't know when you will cross from here to the next. And because I don't know, I can never know because of Maya. That is why right at the beginning, Prajahati. Bye-bye. Clear? Yeah? Last one, very important. Kamat krodho bhi jayate. Kam is, I have started lusting after it. In that case, he started lusting after root beer. They said, you cannot taste it, it's no use. Why do you want it? You would get angry. No, I want it. Come what may. Put it in the suction tube. Did you see this? Krodha happens because of kama. Because you have reached that level. You have crossed just from the degree of liking to lusting for it. You don't know when you cross the line. But because you have already crossed that line and reached its maximum, Krodha is coming up. So subtle, na? It's amazing, na? How these sutras you can actually relate with, boss. This is what happens in my mind. That is how I move from here to here.